Good morning, Miss. My name is Noelia Santa Cruz. In this video, we will talk about the past continuous and the simple past. Explaining an example of car and accident. I had an accident. I was returning from work when car remote control and crashed with me. We checked the cars we were waiting for to try. I checked my car at afternoon. The car has damaged the left window, joy, whistle, and dashboard. I was checking the other driver cars and the bumper, heading, and steering wheel were damaged. We had a great time. We prayed the inspection of my car. Thank you.